Guys, not gonna lie, the best Friday ever. Trying to do Mark Green's face. Here he is, yes man, the happy man. It is currently 8 a.m. here in Sri Lanka in Haputale. I'm back here to fix this entire mess. I'll show you guys from the inside. It's from here the main wood, the bar which supports the entire roof is broken in the middle, and then yeah, this dog is barking. Just don't mind him. Stupid. This is yes man's dog. Can you please for one second let me vlog? Just don't mind the dog, guys. And yeah, he has put some polythene on top, just so that water does not go inside. So yeah, the tree has been removed, so I need to fix this wall. There's a mess over here. Well, I really can't go too deeper, as if you guys can see over there, the bricks they've fallen apart. So I need to fix that wall over there, and then like these woods which have come out. So some of like these sticks and these bars over here, they can be used, but this entire thing needed to be removed and then needed to be fixed. So yes, financially, yes, it's fine. Just need to put everything together, make this happen, because we found 2 workers and it is Sri Lanka. Now they're not even here. When we came here, they've gone to some other place to work. Now I have to find another 2 workers, if I can find it today, and then do it. So here it is, guys. This is where he cooks. So yeah, I mean, I'm really thankful for all the people who donated money over here. This is Yes Man's dog over there. I have to say a special thanks to Todd, because he funded like half of this. Special big thanks to him. There was another guy, I really can't remember his name. I'll put up the entire name at the end of the video. And guys, we need to fix this. We need to fix this wall. See the cracks? We need to fix this entire area over here. We need to put a concrete beam or something. And then we need to remove all this entire roof. Yeah, because as you guys can see, it's really old and it's broken as well on the sides. If like there is no way to fix half of this and then just go, because I'm gonna fix the entire roof, because over here, as you guys can see, it's broken over here, it's falling apart. So the best option is remove the entire roof and then fix it. So that's what we are gonna do. That's what we are gonna do today, or probably tomorrow. See, this area, it's broken. Above here, it's broken. So we are doing a really good deed over here, guys. Thank you everyone who supported on this. Thanks to every single one of you who supported on this, even by a message, even by a a text message or anything. Thanks to each and every single one of you. Now it's time to process. So according to well, found 2 of his friends to work, and guess who is on the roof? Yes, mate. Yes, now he's removing this. So we'll clean this side. I mean, like, we'll try to clean this side. If not, we'll try to push it to the ground. And then, oh yeah, look, that area from inside itself, it's totally broken. So that entire part needs to be fixed. I mean, like, this entire roof needs to be fixed. So that's what we are gonna do. Remove the roof tiles, and then see what else is broken, and then use the wood or the sticks and the bars, whatever is possible, and then get new bars, put it on, then put sheets, or because I'm sure they are like, we could put roof tiles, but it would take ages, and then when it rains again, water is gonna be inside. So maybe we might use sheets for this. That's the plan for now, but let's see. Hope all goes well. Let's see. This is day 1, and we are trying to do it from day 1 itself. Let's see. The roof tiles have been removed. When if I left some money, I'm sure these 3 dudes will be like smashing it in. Oh wow, there it is. he is working, and yes, this this wood or this bar is being broken, so we need to fix that as well. That's, well, just as I went to have my breakfast, yes man and his mates, the workers, they finished removing this, the roof tiles. There it is, and check this out. So when you remove this is the entire state. So we're gonna remove this entire roof, gonna put the new wood, everything, fix this up. There it's broken in the middle, fix this up, and then we're gonna fix this to a brand new roof, strong as well. Ah well, look at him doing his thing. We found the timber for the roof, and of course we need to buy sheets. Ah, there the sheets are. There it is. This is what we are gonna do. We're gonna put everything, fix everything over here today, and then lay the sheets tomorrow. Because that's the easiest way to do it. Because transportation cost from town to town is way high. I'm pulling in everything from my money as well, and also from the donations. And of course there is one issue. One of the timber just broke down. One timber just broke down into half. Ah man, I think now we have to find another one. Let's see. Well, here it is, without the roof, or without the roof tiles. This place is a mess. All this trash, all of this is gonna go out. And yeah, the entire roof is now, the roof tiles are off. Now what we're gonna do is we are gonna remove the roof entirely, the entire roof from here. We're gonna remove it. And then what we're gonna do is, I'll tell you. Then we're gonna put up a new roof, because we bought timber, we bought the wood, we bought everything. All is all good. I had to go to various cities. I had to go to Valimada, which is a different city from Haputale. I had to go there because I can find it cheaper, the products, because there are many hardwares. So I went there and then I bought all this stuff. And now let's see. There it is. There you have the man working. Clean this entire area. Remove the polythene which was on the top. Work is working. Finally found a man who is gonna work, because the other two, they ditched us. They never came. Never even showed up after even telling them from days. Yeah, there again, once again you guys can see it's broken over there. Right over there. Nope, you guys aren't gonna see yes man's balls, don't worry. I got you guys covered, don't worry on that. How should that be called? The yes balls of Haputale. Sorry guys, I'm just making a mock out of it, that's it.
Well, yes man is a kind man, and he ran to the market and he bought a bottle of soft drink and a lemon puff. We need muff. We need lemon muff. So let me show you guys one thing that I did not show the other day, which I felt really bad, and then my uncles, they were like kind of like mocking me that I should go and then have a willy or a pee in this okay, I'm gonna say it, the world's best and the greatest bathroom or the toilet. No door, yeah, it's fully open, you know. You take a dump while you're, you know, enjoying this beautiful view. And would I go and take a dump, or would I go and take would I go and pee in it? Nope. I'd rather be a bear and then I just go out, not in. There's no chance, zero chance that I'm gonna go in off that, go inside to that. I don't know what the hell I'm even talking today. I have no idea what I'm talking today. It's not like the other days. I'm quite happy. Oh man, Todd, thank you bro. You my bro. Well Lonnie, when you come to Sri Lanka, it's a must place that we should come. And yes, some of you all been asking me, you know, like go to see Yes Man, like as in a tour in Sri Lanka. Well, you guys can go, but I would not recommend. Just let the man be on his own. The best part, and one thing that you know, which caught my eyes, is these bricks. These are made by mud. This entire building or the structure is made by mud bricks, which is quite rare. You can never find this in Colombo. Just only here in the villages or in the hills that you can find these. Well, that's it for day one, and day two will be setting that up, put in the sheets, and also before I end the vlog, I'll show it to you guys. Yes man, yes man, Mr. Jairatna, he put the sheets inside the house. Now some of you, or the Sri Lankans, I'm not gonna complain, some of you might, you know, write in the comment section saying I bought cheap sheets, you know, the sheets aren't really strong, they're not gonna last long. Well guys, listen, this structure is not gonna last for the next 10 years. So think smart. I acted accordingly. This structure will last for another 2 years, and then this entire thing will be falling apart. I'm 100% sure. 2 years, maybe maximum 3 years. Those sheets are really good for another 5 years. And if I put something really heavy, you know, the thicker sheets or the same as this, the roof tiles, it'll again fall apart. So the best thing is go for the cheapest option. As well, you know, I had to be on the budget, I had to be on the limit of what I'm gonna spend and everything. So it is what it is. The roof is gonna be fixed. He won't have any problems after that. For the next, maybe if I grow really big on the YouTube thing, I might come back in another 2-3 years and then, you know, build the entire kitchen for him, like from scratch, or maybe build an entire Yes home. You never know. See you in the next video. Adios. Yes. Hari. Hari. Yes man's dog. Hello. No, he's not a friendly dog. He's not friendly as the Yes Man. He's not friendly. Beetle. Puak. Beetle nut. Great hospitality from the Yes Man.